In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ad account on Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, setting up a new ad account is an essential process for managing your advertising efforts effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by typing Facebook Ads Manager into your Google search bar, and it should be one of the top results. Once you've found Facebook Ads Manager, click on Go to Ads Manager. This will direct you to the main dashboard where all the advertising action happens. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook credentials. Type in your email and password that you use to log into Facebook. Be sure to double check your details to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, click on Log In. This will take you into the Ads Manager environment. Upon entering Ads Manager, head straight to the campaign's dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, look for the option labelled All Tools. Clicking on this reveals a range of administrative tools you have at your disposal. Next, you'll want to find Business Settings. This section is critical because it contains all the settings related to your business on Facebook. Once you are in the business settings, look for the Ad Accounts option and click on it. This is where you can manage your existing ad accounts or create new ones. In the Ad Accounts section, you'll usually spot an ADD drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Create a New Ad Account. This is a key step as it kicks off the creation of your brand new ad account. You'll now need to enter the details for your new ad account. Carefully fill in the necessary information such as your ad account name and time zone. Once that's done, click on Next to proceed. The next step requires you to select the business portfolio where you'd like your new ad account to be associated. Choose the relevant portfolio and click on Create. Creating the ad account is nearly complete. After this, you'll have the option to grant access to specific individuals, allowing them to manage aspects of your ad account. Assign roles as needed based on who you want to involve in managing your ads. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new ad account on Facebook Ads Manager. This setup will enable you to launch and manage your ad campaigns seamlessly. Remember, staying organized in Ads Manager is crucial for optimizing your advertising strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy advertising!